Alright, so you've got notifications blowing up on Tinder, but everyone who liked you is hiding behind that annoying blur. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered with everything you need to know. The official way, Tinder Gold and Platinum. Head to the Likes You section in the app. You'll see a grid full of blurred profiles, and those are real people who already swiped right on you. To unlock them instantly, upgrade to Tinder Gold or Platinum. Yes, it costs money, but here's why it's actually worth considering. You skip the guessing game entirely and match with people you know are already interested. It saves time and boosts your match rate significantly. The free trick, no subscription needed. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you're not ready to pay, there's a sneaky little workaround that most people don't know about. Go back to your main swiping screen. See that top profile card. Give it a very slight swipe, just a tiny nudge, not a full swipe. Don't let it fly off the screen. Here's the secret. The card sitting right underneath it is frequently someone who already liked you. Tinder quietly surfaces your admirers beneath that top card, and this little trick gives you a sneak peek without spending a dime. The best part, it resets every time you reopen the app, so you can keep using it to catch glimpses of who's in your likes list. Quick recap. For the premium route, go to Likes You Upgrade and see everyone instantly. For the free route, swipe slightly on the top card and peek at who's underneath. If this helped you out, smash that like button, share it with your friends who are struggling on the apps, and subscribe so you never miss tips like this. Good luck out there.